Welcome to PR Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudial and today in this tutorial I will show you how to create quick color palettes in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start. If you haven't watched our previously published lessons, I strongly recommend you to watch them. The video's playlist link is available in the description box. It is very easy to create color palettes quickly. Select the rectangle or ellipse tool, any shape you can take. I am going to create a square by holding the shift key. The stroke should be none and fill should be there. So I am going to switch the fill and stroke. Now change the fill color. You can select any color you want. You can choose two primary colors. I am going to choose light pink color. Now I am going to duplicate the square by holding the Alt key and just drag and place it here. Then we have to pick the darker color. It is completely up to you. I am going to select the dark pink color. Now select both and go to Blend tool. Double click on the Blend tool or you can go to Object, here Blend and select Blend options. You will get the same options. Here in Spacing, select Specified Steps. Here write the number of steps you want or you can say the number of shades you want. I am going to write 5. Click OK. Now, with the Blend tool selected, click on the first square and then the second. Here you go. These are the shades of red color from light to dark. Now you can expand this by going to Object and here Expand. Object and Fill should be ticked and click OK. You can now ungroup this. And if you want to use the shades separately, then you can also use. I will show you the palette of other colors also. Here you go. This is how you can quickly create color palettes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.